In this video I'll show you how I edit this using CapCut and PixelLab. Timestamps are in the description. If you want to skip to any effect, let's start with this folder newspaper animation. First I added this 3, now remove this folder background using chroma key. Make duplicate this folder. And go to adjust make duplicate folder look like this. Then increase his size. Now go to layer. And send it back to normal folder. Go to transform and adjust like this. Decrease opacity if you want. Again duplicate main folder. Now divide two parts of folder using mask. Select horizontal and adjust him. Make upper side like this. Now go to duplicated folder. Click on invert if look like this. And adjust like this. Now you can see newspaper going inside. If you face any problem here go to layer. Now crop newspaper. Adjust size. Now I want big folder so I need to increase all folder size. After making look like this export this video. Maybe you think why I'm exporting here. Because CapCut Mobile doesn't have compound clip feature. After exporting click back in same project. Now expand background and set all layers like this. Carefully set all this layer in same timestamp. Now add exported video and scale at 100%. Maybe now you understand why I did this. Add keyframe. Now rotate at 10 degrees and send down. Then skip some space and add keyframe. And get back folder to middle. Also fix rotate to 0 degrees. Now adjust layers. Now add keyframe on newspaper layer. Skip space and add again keyframe. Now set newspaper like this upper side. Now for text highlight I add this object created on PixelLab. Adjust on text. Then go to splice. Select what you like. I selected burn. Adjust him. Expanding layers. Now go to mask select horizontal. Rotate to 90 degrees and set like this. Add keyframe then skip little space and add again keyframe and move this line to right. Now add graphs I selected cubic in. Select what you like. After exporting here's final look. Now next is the countdown animation. First add O text. Select font what you like. I'm selecting this font you can find here in search. Now increase size. And select this color. Now duplicate this circle. Now change this duplicate circle's color. Add little bit stroke. Add glow. Select glow color what you want. Now adjust. Then add shadow. Adjust it right back to circle. You can play with adjustments to get what you like. Now click on animations. Click on out and select clock wipe. Now I'm set here right 5 seconds. Because I need 5 seconds countdown. You can adjust according to your needs. I'm again adjusting shadow. Now split left side from circle layer set him in. Right 0 second ends and 1 second starts. Now I'm export this without adding numbers, and add again here after deleting this because after exporting with number I saw some problems. You can try without export if it works. Now add numbers. Changes color and font. For numbers font search LED to get this type of fonts. Now adjust this number. Now here set this one on timeline, like right on 1 second starts and ends then 2 starts. Now repeat this process for each number. Now final check timeline and second run same. Now after export here's final look. Now, let's create the wave inside text effect. First open this website to get wave video. Here you got many features for wave, like adjusting layers, height, wave and colors. Do whatever you like here. I'm doing this layer. Now if you can't find color what you want, then right here that color code. Open PixelLab, select your color and copy code. Then again back to website. Paste that code, you get that color. Now zoom this and screen record this. If you want white layer then get black color. And click to flip. Record this wave as well. Here of SVG option but that take little long so I'm screen recording here. Now open both in CapCut and crop. Change ratio into 16:9 and remove background and export. Now add text on black background. Duplicate text layer and edit that text. Adjust your font and color. Add white stroke. Now export this too. I'm continuing here after deleting this. Now add text and wave layer both here. Now remove white color of first text using chroma key. Now second text. Remove green color. Make sure your wave layer is set back on text's layer. Now I'm adding white wave in this. Adjust wave like you want. You can play with adjustments here. Here's final look after exporting. Now next is the circle mask text reveal. Open PixelLab and select ratio, then add your text. Select font, I'm selecting this one. Place text in center using this too. Now select text and background color. Save this image. Now replace text and background color with each other. Select opposite color. Now save this and open CapCut. Your choice what you select as overlay or main clip. Make sure the size of both the images is the same. Now just go to mask and select circle. Now adjust like you want and add keyframe. Skip space, add again keyframe and adjust like you want. Also you can use opacity with keyframe to give effect like fade. Go to mask and add graphs whatever you like. And here's this video after export. Now final shape changing effect. First add background, then go to mask, select rectangle and adjust. Add keyframe, then I'm making it round using round corners. Now adjust. Skip little space and add keyframe again, then adjust like this. Now add graphs. My suggestion for this time is circular ease. It's look like this. Now add your logo or whatever you want. I'm making it round using circle mask. After adjusting, add keyframe to this logo. Then skip little space and add keyframe again. Now make size small and move like this. Now add circular ease graph in this logo also. Now add your text and edit. Then go to animation and select fade in. Now it's look like this. Now next for shape change. First add background and go to mask, select rectangle, add keyframe, skip space, add again keyframe, make it round, then add graphs. It's done. I'm stopping here. You can do more if you want. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Comment what you liked and what tutorial you want next. And watch this video if you want similar apps like CapCut.